truck.
Okay.
Yeah, I did put a corner in.
Okay.
I will on that one up there if I get it. Yeah. This one was lined up, so I just stay shot.
Okay.
What's your liner temperature right now, Mark?
Been running about 100.
On that 716.
Running 100.
And you're at 716 degrees at
6.9 at speed. 104.
Board board. Good.
Wow. I wonder if it's warming up.
And just a pair of gloves look just as good as they are, right? Actually, they probably work better, doesn't it?
If you don't have to not deal with wet dirt, yeah.
Yeah, okay. As it's just dust. You guys are coming up with all kinds of good ideas.
Necessity.
Well,
Other than
keep you cooking right along. I like it.
Board board!